Okay folks, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how to go download zip files, in fact download a complete trading system and install that. So let's get started. Back into our MT4 platform. Now I'm going to go back into Internet Explorer and forexfactory.com. If you have time, go here. It's not my website, but you can find all sort of systems and indicators. So I'm going to download these two zip files down here. One, Windows is automatically set. I don't know about you, but my one is set to, if I click on a file, it would automatically download it to a folder called downloads. Now CatFX50 and the template folder. Okay, what I'm going to do is, to keep things sorted, I'm going to make a new folder and name it CatFX. Sorry about that. I'm going to come back here and template, control this, cut, and go back up here and find my CatFX. There you go, and paste them in here. Now let me see if my WinZip is working or no. I will find out. Oh, it is working. Good. Close. Okay. And not really. Check now. Check. No, don't ask me again in a week. Okay. Come here and go to extract. So that's done. I'm gonna go back in files, new zip file, go back, templates, and I'm going to click extract. Okay, so it already has the template file. Let me check. Let me check. I am sorry about this, but I want to show you people how to do this. Okay, template is here and indicators is right there. Okay, now again I'm going to click from here, shift click down here, copy, go back into my MT4 platform, files, open data folder, MQL4, indicators. I'm going to go paste. So now all of those are pasted. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to go back. Now remember there was a template file in there. I'm going to bring the template file. Go back in here. There's your template file. Right click, copy. Okay. And then we're going to go back into the folder for the data file. We go in there, templates, double click on it, right click and paste. So now I've got that template in there. I'm going to close this, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to close this. Minimize this and minimize this and double click on this. Come on, guys. Speed up. Okay, so I'm going to select, let's select this one here and go down here, Cat Effects. It will install everything and you're ready to trade. So now you know how to install a trading system that you download with custom indicators and everything. So I hope you learned something new here, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.